Wagwan, it's Lika J. Thank you for tuning in. This segment of my channel is called Styling Thrift Transformations, where I'll be showing you how to transform all of those old thrift finds into today's modern day wear, doing this all while still on a budget. In today's video, I'm going to be making a one-shoulder ruffle shirt using this top that I got from the thrift store. First, I'm going to lay the top onto a flat surface, then I'm going to mark exactly where I want to cut because I want to make it into a crop top. Keeping in mind that I will need to cut enough material at the bottom to make my ruffles. Once I've marked how long I want my shirt to be, then I can go ahead and make that cut. Okay, so I did go ahead and sew the side of the shirt to make it a little bit smaller, because if you look on the before pictures of this shirt, you can see that the sides were a little bit too big for me. After doing that, then just turn the shirt onto the right side and cut a slant line from the shoulder of the shirt to the top of the breast part. You may need to try the shirt on to mark exactly where you need to cut. Once I finish cutting the top off, then I'm going to go ahead and sew the other side of the shirt just to make it the right fit. The bottom of the blouse that I cut off is what I'm going to be using to make my ruffles. Right now I'm cutting it into two halves just to make sure that I have enough ruffles. Also because I want my ruffles to be a little bit shorter and not too long. I'm going to be hand stitching to make my ruffles. So I'm going to take one part of that half that I cut off and then just start with my hand stitching. Now I'm going to pin this onto the shirt and just play with it so that the ruffles can be how I want them to be before I actually go ahead and use the machine to sew them on. I like the placement of the ruffles, then I can go ahead and sew that on. As you can see in this picture, I went ahead and sewed it on. I went and hemmed the back and the bottom as well, and this is the final product. Don't forget to press the thumbs up button if you like this video, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.